Welcome to Seven Bulls. We break down finance so that anyone can understand. Roll the intro. Hey investors, welcome back to Seven Bulls, a WeGrow affiliate. Today, we're diving into a key ingredient for successful stock investments, knowing the companies you're putting your money into. This has been a practice of all of the best investors known in the investment world. So, let's get to it. Picture this. You're a chef whipping up a new recipe. To make something truly delicious, you need to understand each ingredient, how it tastes, how it works in harmony with the others, and how it adds to the overall flavor. When you invest in a company, you're essentially mixing these ingredients. But before you create your investment dish, you've got to know the flavor profile of each company. Think of it like exploring all the different flavors. You want to savor every bit of information about the company's products, how they make money, and where they're heading. It's your recipe for success in the stock market. Understanding the company gives you a taste of what's to come. If you're excited about what a company is cooking up, it's easier to invest with confidence. Remember, it's not just about today's flavor, but the potential for a delightful feast in the future. See, those who savor the details often enjoy a more satisfying investment experience. But those who rush in blind, they might end up with a bitter aftertaste. So what's the takeaway? In the stock market kitchen, knowledge is your secret ingredient. Dive into the companies you're eyeing, savor their potential, and craft your investments wisely. Your portfolio will thank you later. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, share, and subscribe for more fantastic content. It does help with the algorithm. Remember to keep up with your financial education. You're the only one in charge of your future. Be safe.
We grew.